Dream big, work hard, stay focused, and surround yourself with good people. Success will follow. Explanation: encourages students to set ambitious goals, work diligently towards them, maintain concentration amidst distractions, and choose positive influences in their lives, fostering a growth mindset and perseverance. 2. Kindness is a language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Mark Twain. Explanation: emphasizes the universal importance of kindness. It's a reminder that small acts of kindness can have a significant impact on others, regardless of differences, fostering empathy and compassion. 3. Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. William Butler Yeats. Explanation: highlights that education is not just about memorizing facts but igniting curiosity and a love for learning. It encourages students to explore, question, and seek knowledge actively. 4. The best way to predict the future is to invent it. Alan Kay. Explanation: inspires students to take control of their destinies. It encourages them to be proactive, innovative, and to believe in their ability to shape their futures through their actions and decisions. 5. Your attitude, not your aptitude, will determine your altitude. Zig Ziglar. Explanation: stresses the importance of a positive attitude. Regardless of natural talent, a positive attitude, determination, and a willingness to learn can elevate one's achievements, emphasizing the significance of a can-do mindset. 6. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Explanation: encourages resilience and the understanding that both success and failure are temporary. It's the ability to persist, learn from failures, and keep moving forward that leads to long-term growth and accomplishment. 7. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Explanation: emphasizes the importance of passion in one's pursuits. When students find what they love, they are more likely to excel and make meaningful contributions, leading to a fulfilling and successful life. 8. Unity in diversity is the highest possible attainment of a civilization, a testimony to the most noble possibilities of the human race. Mahatma Gandhi. Explanation: celebrates diversity and underscores the beauty of different cultures, backgrounds, and perspectives coming together harmoniously. It promotes understanding, acceptance, and unity among students, fostering a peaceful and inclusive school environment. 9. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. Native American proverb. Explanation: highlights the importance of environmental conservation. It reminds students of their responsibility to care for the planet, ensuring its well-being for future generations, instilling a sense of environmental stewardship. 10. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. Explanation: encourages self-belief and confidence. When students have faith in their abilities, they are more likely to overcome challenges and achieve their goals. It reinforces the power of positive thinking and self-assurance.